So today we are going to be making Clementine cake, a binging with Babish recipe. I've never tried this. It's definitely because it's from my favorite movie, which is The Secret Life of Walter Mitty. I'm hoping that it turns out well. I don't know if it will. I have to candy clementines for 90 minutes. So let's get started. We're shocking them. They're in shock. Okay. Clementines are poached. This is a whole whopping 3 cups of sugar. Honestly, I don't even really like oranges that much. It's just that I'm obsessed with this cake. I'm obsessed with this movie and I want the challenge. I read somewhere that if you microwave oranges, you're supposed to get more juice, which is definitely what we're gonna have to do because clementines are tiny. Things are going relatively well, except for the fact that I forgot powdered sugar when I went to the store, so I have to go back in the time that the cake is baking, and hopefully the candied clementines are done. So, I'm gonna do that. They're definitely way too full. I don't know why. It didn't specify what kind of cake pan, but you know what? It's fine. It's all fine. So Anna, why in the world did you spend most of your day making a ridiculous cake? Well, it's because I love The Secret Life of Walter Mitty. It's one of my all-time favorite films, and the first time I watched it is kind of funny because I didn't actually like it, which I don't know why, but after going to college and studying film, yeah, it's just become one of my all-time favorites. I think the cinematography is beautiful, the storyline is inspiring, and it's exactly the kind of film that I would want to make someday. That and then 500 Days of Summer. And so, yeah, I just decided to make this cake, and honestly I love baking. I don't know if that's something that I've really expressed on this channel, but it's always been one of my passions. I love doing it for people. I find that it's a great way for me to express how much I love somebody, and it's also just good mental health time for me, even though this cake is kind of the most elaborate and stressful recipe that I've kind of attempted, which is funny because it really isn't that complicated. It's just the candying of those dang clementines that's kind of freaking me out. But yeah, I just thought that it was good to spend time doing something for my mental health when I'm on break, and hopefully the results will be good. But even if they're not, you know, I had a good time doing that. So everyone should watch Secret Life of Walter Mitty. I'm serious. It is a great film. This whole thing ended up making 2, so here's the other one, which is not as pretty as the first one. Here's the pretty one, and then here's the ugly one, but we're gonna taste this one.